People think that they have to meditate for long periods of time in order to reap any benefits. But this is not true. You can enjoy certain benefits out of meditation even if you practice for one day. In this video, I'm going to be sharing you my experience of meditating for 30 days so that hopefully you're also inspired to do the same. So let's begin with the video. Hi family, welcome to my channel. My name is Akansha, and as you saw from the trailer, I talk about motivation, mindset and manifestation. In today's video, I'm going to be having a casual conversation, a rather honest conversation with you, because I want to tell you my experience of meditating for a month so that you can find it insightful and you can list the pros and the cons for yourself. Okay. So many people, they know the benefits of meditating, but they are really hesitant to meditate because of three reasons. It requires patience, it requires self-discipline, and most importantly, it requires an effort on your part. And this is the reason why I was also very hesitant to meditate. That is until I saw this family and everybody had like really good skin, like really clear skin. Now, of course, you would say that good genes comes into the play and everybody might be having good skin because of their diet or their genes. But I met this family a year back and nothing was so great about their skin. And in the course of 1 year, the only thing that changed was that they had adopted meditation. So I know this is a vain reason, but this is the reason why I got into meditation. So I joined a 3-day long meditation camp. So I'll be very honest with you, guided meditations are very, very easy and they are really easy to follow. So after my first class, I realized that I was feeling extremely relaxed. And at this point of time, I realized that I had been carrying stress, which makes me realize that most of us are very tense and very strained throughout our lives and we don't even realize it. And meditation, it kind of makes you feel as if the load has been lifted from your shoulders. So that is the first benefit. It makes you feel very relaxed. And that day, I slept so soundly. I won't say that I slept like a baby because babies, they get up throughout the night. I slept like my husband, without a care in the world. So that is the second point. You actually get good sleep. And the third point is that because you slept so well, you wake up really refreshed. I have always had a trouble of waking up really early in the morning. I'm not going to say that I'm like a night owl or an early riser. I'm kind of like an exhausted pigeon. I'm always exhausted. But when I started meditating, I had so much energy and I was so productive throughout my day. But the downside, because I'm being very honest, is by the time it was nightfall or around 8 or 9, I would be very sleepy. And by 10 o'clock, I couldn't keep my eyes open and I would sleep. So obviously this is a very bad con, but the good point is that you have the energy to do all your activities and you have the focus to do all your activities. Now, once I came back from the meditation camp, I realized that meditating on your own is very difficult. You cannot just bring your mind to focus on your breathing or whatever. And even with practice, they say that meditation becomes easier. But for me, for the first 20 or 30 days, I was not able to concentrate at all. As I continued to meditate, I was able to build up my concentration, but the initial 20 days were not so good. But still, I was able to reap other benefits. Now, one of the most important benefits that I felt, which was very personal to me, was that I felt an improvement in my PMS syndromes. Now, what happens is that people, they joke about PMS as if it's something very funny. But to the women who actually suffer from it, PMS is no joke. See, nobody wants to be unhappy, nobody wants to be irritated, and nobody wants to be cranky all the time. We all want to be happy and satisfied. When I was not meditating, I used to feel all these symptoms. When I started meditating, it was as if I had been suddenly mindful, as if a light bulb had been switched inside me. So if I was feeling cranky, I would realize it is not due to an external stimuli, but it is due to my PMS, and it made me control my emotions. And this was a very empowering thing for me because I was no longer a slave to my emotions. And another thing, I bet all women would relate to this fact that in PMS you start craving certain kinds of foods which are not really good for you, like chocolates or ice cream. And usually before I was meditating, what would happen is that I would eat a chocolate and I would not have any self-control, and I would eat the entire box and I would feel extremely guilty, and then the next few days were in a vicious cycle of feeling guilty, eating more chocolate, crying some more. you don't want to be in that headspace. But once I started meditating, I was very mindful, which meant that I was easily satiated after having one cookie, and I was really forgiving. I really enjoyed that cooking, and I was like, okay, this is what my body needs, and it was very relaxing. So more control over my PMS made me feel more confident. Another thing is that I've never had bad skin, but there are issues with my skin. Like all women, I also have hormonal acne and hormonal hair fall. But when I started meditating, I won't say that my skin became absolutely crystal clear, but instead of these bulbous, cystic acne that I used to get small whiteheads which were not really visible until you're like standing here. So that made me feel more confident, and it was a very good thing that I can control my appearance, because it is you have to understand what it feels like when you're having PMS. You already feel so bad about yourself, and once you have these acne and you have hair fall, you feel ugly and you go into this pit of self-pity. You don't want to go there. So meditation kind of helped me from that. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this casual conversation. Before I end, if this was very encouraging for you, I have a few videos which are going to explore the scientific benefits of meditation on your body and the scientific benefits of meditation on your psyche. And I'm also going to give you a few examples of meditation for those people who don't really like meditation. So just to sum it up, what were the advantages of meditation? I felt a glow on my skin. I felt as if I was lightened. I felt as if I was more relaxed. I was able to manage my stress better. I was more productive, more energy, and better management of PMS symptoms. The disadvantages, if I'm being really critical, is that I used to fall asleep at night really early, which is actually a positive point because I've been wanting to regulate my body system for a long time. The other disadvantages are that it required self-discipline and it required a little bit of effort. Other than that, I don't think meditation has any downfall. So if you want to learn meditation, I have a video which explains the easiest technique for meditation. Bye.